From the front, the Nissan Patrol V6 White commands attention. Bold grille and sharp design under showroom spotlights. At the rear, glowing taillights and the Petrol badge highlight its premium SUV identity. From the side, the full profile reflects elegance and power, with glossy showroom reflections. On the right, the Petrol stands tall, showcasing its balanced SUV proportions. From above, the roof design and panoramic sunroof shine under the showroom ceiling lights. Angled perfectly, the Petrol's sculpted body and chrome accents make a powerful impression. From a low angle, the bold grille and bumper emphasize the Petrol's dominance. And under showroom night lighting, its presence becomes even more dramatic. A close-up at the V-Motion grille with the Nissan logo, bold and refined. Sharp LED headlights give the Petrol its signature modern look. Even the fog lights shine with premium detailing. Chrome accents on the bumper add a touch of luxury. The hood lines flow smoothly, catching every reflection. And the iconic Nissan badge stands proudly at the center. The taillights glow bright red, a clear signature at night. The Petrol badge reflects prestige under showroom lighting. Chrome exhausts on the bumper highlight its powerful side. The 4x4 emblem is a reminder of its rugged capability. Even the rear glass and wiper carry the Petrol's fine detailing. The roof spoiler adds a sporty, aerodynamic touch. The alloy wheels shine with premium finish and strength. Deep tire treads promise durability and off-road confidence. Side mirrors with integrated indicators add modern styling. Chrome door handles reflect Nissan's attention to luxury. Side steps make entry effortless and stylish. Even the fuel cap design blends into the SUV's bold lines. Step inside, and the Petrol welcomes you with a wide, premium cabin. The leather steering wheel with the Nissan logo feels refined. The digital cluster glows with futuristic clarity. The infotainment system delivers navigation and smart connectivity. The gear shifter carries a premium chrome finish. A glowing start/stop button brings the SUV to life. Every detail, even the AC vents, is crafted with style. Premium leather seats offer comfort wrapped in elegance. Passengers enjoy spacious rear seats with fine leather finish. Close up, the stitching reflects Nissan's craftsmanship. Cup holders are designed with both utility and luxury in mind. The rear AC vents ensure comfort for every passenger. Door panels combine leather, chrome, and function in style. Looking up, the panoramic sunroof connects you to the outside world. A 360-degree camera display provides full confidence in every maneuver. Premium Bose speakers fill the cabin with immersive sound. The trunk opens wide, ready for every journey. Spacious enough to carry luggage in style and comfort. Roof rails add practicality for adventurous trips. And the smart key completes the luxury experience. With all doors open, the Petrol invites you to explore its world of luxury. On the showroom platform, it stands as a true centerpiece. Under a low spotlight, its stance is bold and powerful. The Nissan emblem shines bright under cinematic lighting. From an angled three-quarter view, every detail reflects perfection. Luxury lights and dramatic shadows amplify its showroom presence. The Petrol nameplate glows with heritage and strength. And finally, the full Nissan Patrol V6, in its pure showroom glory.